Hello everyone, welcome to Rosamund's Mandarin Garden. Today we'll continue our journey with magic words. In this lesson, we're going to learn how to classify actions using verbal magic words. Verbal magic words indicate the frequency, duration, or manner of an action. Unlike English, which uses a mix of adverbs and phrases to express these ideas, Mandarin treats an action as a countable event where the magic word acts as a unit of that event. The basic structure is verb plus numeral plus magic word. In this setup, the numeral and the magic word function as a complement following the verb. While there are far fewer verbal magic words than nominal ones, they are used constantly in daily life. Today, we'll introduce their usage based on 5 categories as follows: indicating frequency, collective units of action, brief or sudden actions, body part involved, tool-based. 次 simply means times. Almost anything you can use times for in English can be translated with this one. Time also means times, but its use is more specific. It refers to round trips or journeys, someone going to and coming back from a place. 变 emphasizes the entire process from beginning to end. It means doing something completely through, like reading a book from cover to cover. 面 literally means face. As a magic word, it specifically refers to the number of times people meet or see each other. 我上个星期去了3次北京。我上个星期去了3次北京。明天我要去一趟银行。明天我要去一趟银行。我跟你说过很多遍了，你怎么就是记不住？我跟你说过很多遍了，你怎么就是记不住？我之前见过他2面。我之前见过他2面。This group frames a series of actions or duration as a single, complete unit, originally referring to a battle formation. 阵 emphasizes a brief, distinct period. It frames a phenomena like wind, rain, sounds, or even emotions as a short, complete segment. 顿 meant to pause. It treats a complete action as one unit. We use it for meals or for actions like scolding or beating. 长 is used for events with a clear beginning and end that form a complete episode. These are usually longer in duration, such as performances, matches, dreams, or even relationships. In Mandarin, phrases like 夫妻一场、相爱一场、兄弟一场、朋友一场 often imply that the episode of that relationship has come to an end. 早上下了一阵雨。早上下了一阵雨。他哭了一阵儿就不哭了。他哭了一阵儿就不哭了。他们俩好过一阵儿。他们俩好过一阵儿。一天吃3顿饭。一天吃3顿饭。我考试没及格还撒谎，爸爸打了我一顿。我考试没及格还撒谎，爸爸打了我一顿。他下午听了一场音乐会。他下午听了一场音乐会。我们去看场电影。我们去看场电影。我昨天晚上做了一场梦。我昨天晚上做了一场梦。The character 下 means down. It refers to a quick, sudden motion. Using it often makes the tone of a sentence lighter, more casual, or more polite. 他敲了一下门。他敲了一下门。你等我一下。你等我一下。让我看一下。让我看一下。When an action involves a specific body part, like eating, looking, slapping, kicking, or shouting, we borrow the name of that body part as the magic word. Similarly, when an action is performed using a specific tool, that tool becomes the measure word. 喝一口水，喝一口水。看一眼表，看一眼表。打一巴掌，打一巴掌。踢一脚，踢一脚。叫一声，叫一声。打一棍子，打一棍子。缝了10针，缝了10针。射了一箭，射了一箭。Based on today's lesson, for the following sentences, which measure word is best option in the blank spaces? 我再跟你从头到尾说一什么？这里我们用遍，因为是强调的从头到尾，在口语中一般也可以用次。聚会上，他连看都没有看我一什么。这句话看一眼、看一下都是可以的，用眼强调的是有意的看，用下强调的是时间短。回家后免不了要挨什么打？这里我们用顿，顿是打、骂等动作的搭配量词。请你等一什么，我就来。这里我们用下，就是说很快的意思。请你等一下，我就来。情急之下，他向匪徒开了一什么？情急之下，他向匪徒开了一什么？这道题稍微有点难。中文中像枪、炮等火器，早期有一个封闭的机关或者火门，所以我们会说开枪、开炮。这句话中就是用使用的武器作为动量词，所以说开了一枪。情急之下，他向匪徒开了一枪。That concludes today's lesson. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe. Your support means a lot to me. See you next time. Bye!